Yeah, and I think it's important to remember too that, like, in your hierarchy of needs, if someone is only functioning with, okay, I need food, I need safety and shelter, they're not really able to say, like, yeah, I can afford my medication, or yeah, I'm going to make this medical appointment when their basics are not being met. And so when they come in our program, they are able to feel that they have a safe place to stay, that they have food that they can eat, right? That they're able to then open their mind and open their recovery